My name is Jeyde. I work for the government. That's as much as I can say. Yeah.
So tell me where we are today and what you're doing.
Right. So every year, on the run up to Christmas, I always take stock of what's happened that year and everything. And on towards the end of 2024, I decided that 2025 was going to be different. I wanted to do things differently for 2025. So I decided that I was going to take a bold step and actually sign up for Samuel Leeds crash course. I think, yeah, came for the £1 crash course in December in Birmingham. I think, yeah, and yeah, one thing led to another. I decided to sign up for the Deal Finding Extravaganza, and I was supposed to make the February one, but I didn't make the February one because conflicting what's the word, things with life and everything. So I made it to the May one, which is where I'm at right now. But it's good.
Amazing. Tell me about this event. What have you learned? What you're going away with?
I think the main thing, I like the energy with this event. Like there's something you always seem to find it every time you attend one of these events. I mean, I've attended the crash course twice now. The energy is always very different, and it's always contagious. It's always contagious. I like the event. I've gone away with. I think the main thing I like that I've gone away with is something Samuel talked about, the 5 Cs. I think that's the most important, impactful thing. And another thing that he's spoken about or he's done that really made me, that I take away from here, is the fact that he actually does the live phone calls. Kind of takes the fear out of doing what you need to do to get things done. It takes all of that out of it. So for me, those are the two things: the 5 Cs, which you talked about, and the fear of actually getting things done. So what, the crash course? I think the most important thing is for you to know what you're coming for. If you understand what you're coming for, because it's a bit like sticking a gold ring in a pig's snout. You will not, if you don't know what you're coming for, you wouldn't know. It could literally be in front of you, and you wouldn't know how to access what you're after. I knew what I was coming for. I was laser focused on that. So I've come for that, and I think I've gotten it. I think I've gotten it, what I came for. And so basically, you have to know where you're coming for. Don't just come because, oh yeah, someone dragged you. Listen to Samuel's, what's it called? YouTube channel. Watch his YouTube videos. And come here with something that you want to get from it.